Howdy, and welcome back. My name is Chris. This is Utah Sleeper, and today we're working on the Tibby again. This time we're working on the control arms, because to me they look shot. With that said, let's take you to them. And here we are at the control arm. Let's start with the main reason I'm planning on replacing. Let's see if I can get you a look. See that rubber? It is mangled. And let's see if I can't get the best lighting with one hand. But here, shadow, whatever. There's a crease there, like it's split and it's just mangled. I can't. For driving, it's probably mostly still fine, but since I want to try and do some rally with it, I'd rather not worry about it. The rest of it isn't so bad. I mean, to remove the, you've got like a joint here. Let's see, yeah. 2 bolts holding it in place. Let's get some lighting, maybe. So yeah, 2 bolts, probably 17s, maybe 19s. And then, well, you probably can't see it. I'll show you on the replacement, but a ball joint right around there. So yeah, there's a broke one that, we'll take off here shortly, but let's show you the replacement one. And here we are. I chose to buy a brand new control arm with the ball joint because I don't have a press, things like that, and seemed like it'd probably be a lot easier. I bought it on Rock Auto. Here is the part number. I'm pretty sure there were still quite a few left, but yeah, if you tell from this, 1 bolt holding this side in, 2 bolts holding this side in, and this is the side of the body of the car. Then you've got this that goes under the wheel hub. This is the ball joint, 1 nut there. Now, with that said, when I do this, I'm probably gonna need an alignment. So, I'll deal with that later. That's not part of this video. With that said, I guess let me just get on to removing the old one and replacing it with the new one. Yes! And here I am making a quick little intermission because some of this is a pain in the butt. So, after you undo the bolt for this and the 2 bolts for this, you want to pry pretty heavily to get these away from there. That will allow you more access to, I'm hoping you can see it, but it gives you more access to the ball joint. Because without loosening or getting those out of here, you really, at least from what I've been fighting with, you don't have enough access to the ball joint to get it loose. With that said, I'm going to go back to fighting with the ball joint. There's no way I could get a good clear angle, so we're not going to record it. But we'll be back when we can compare the two. Anyway, here we go. And here we are with part removed. And, you know, it's always nice to install a nice new part. That ball joint was not like that beforehand. That's for me trying to remove it. So it got mangled. But overall, I mean, this is the worst. You can see where the rubber has started cracking or separating. And I felt like, yep, been sitting for a while. Let's replace it. Here's what a fresh one looks like. So yeah, nothing. I mean, everything else, well, that looks like crap now. But everything else seemed pretty reasonable. So yeah, you know, that all seemed fine. With that said, installation is reverse, you know, put bolts in, things like that. So I don't feel like there's a whole lot of... Anyway, I'm going to go install the new one. With that, we'll be back shortly. And here we are. Completion. I did run into some hiccups. So, yeah. Let me just reiterate. Oh, as I sit down. This in this area really needs to be under, like it needs to be forced under. Once you do that, you can use like a standard ball joint separator. This thing worked well, and with this moved downward, it gave me enough space to pop the ball joint out. So yeah, but everything is complete there. Normally I'd have a wheel up and all that jazz, but there's still a lot more things to work on around here. So yeah, we'll be covering that soon. With that said, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Hopefully this was useful. Bye-bye.